Hello everyone, so in this video we'll be learning what Armstrong number is and how to write a Java program for an Armstrong number, right? So first of all, an Armstrong number is a positive m-digit number that is equal to the sum of the mth powers of their digits. It is also known as pluperfect, plusperfect or narcissistic number. Now let us understand this through an example. Let's say you want to check whether 153 is an Armstrong number or not. So here in 153 number, we have 3 digits. So every digit raised to power 3 and we are going to add it. So what we are doing here is 1 raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3. So each digit raised to the power 3 and their sum will be equal to 153. If it is equal to 153, then only this number is going to be an Armstrong number. Otherwise, for example, you have 125. So here the sum is coming out to be 134, which is not an Armstrong number. So this is the way how to decide whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Similarly for 3 and 1643, here we have 4 digits, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each digit raised to power 4 plus their sum. So 1643, yes, this is an Armstrong number. Now let us write a program to check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not through Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here you can see in the screen, I have created a project by the name Basic Java Programs, and under that we have a package by the name Armstrong number. And then we have 2 examples here, right? Example number 1, let me just zoom it. Okay. I hope it is much clear now. So in this you can see we have called the package, then imported the Java util scanner class, and then imported the Java lang.math class. This scanner class is used for taking in the inputs from the user, and this Java lang package.math class is used for the math pow. To use this function, we have imported this package java.lang, right? So we have named our class by the name Armstrong number example 1. Under this we have created a function, a boolean function. Let me tell you about this. This is a boolean function, so it will only return either true or false based upon the conditions, right? So we have created a function by the name is Armstrong, and it is taking n as an input. Let's say here n is nothing but the number which you want to check whether it is an Armstrong number or not. Okay. So we have declared variables temp, digits, last and sum. Digits, last and sum are initialized as 0 initially, right? Now assigning n into a temporary variable. This temp is nothing but a temporary variable, right? And we are storing the value of n. Let's say you want to check whether 243 is an Armstrong number or not. So we are storing this 243 in the temporary variable by the name temp. Okay, we have 2 while loops here and if statement, right? The first while loop will help you calculate the digits in a number. This has 3 digits, right? So this loop will help you to calculate digits in a number. The second loop will help you to calculate the sum, right? Suppose we have entered, we want to check 243 is an Armstrong number or not. So this while loop will help you check whether the sum of each digit raised to the power digits is equal to the number itself or not, right? So let us start from here. Initially temp is 243, right? The condition is true. The compiler will come inside. Temp is equal to temp divided by 10. This will give the quotient. Quotient will be 24 now, and digits, which was initially 0, so it will be incremented by 1. Digits value is 1 now. Again it will check the condition true. The value of temp is 24, it will come inside. Now the value of temp will be 24 divided by 10, which will be 2. Now digits variable is incremented to 2. Again it will check the condition, yes, 2 is greater than 0. It will come inside and temp will be equal to 2 divided by 10, which is equal to 0. it will only consider the integer part, not the decimal part, because we have initialized as integer, right? Temp is an integer, digits is an integer, so it will only take the integer part, and digits variable will be incremented to 3. Again it will check, no, not this time, temp is equal to 0, not greater than 0, so condition is false, and finally our objective has been met. Digits value is set to 3. Okay, the compiler will come outside. Again we are setting the temporary variable is equal to n, which is 243. Here it will check. Again, temp is equal greater than 0. Yes, it will come inside. This statement will set the last. Will find out the last digit of the number. The last digit of the number is 3. So 10% 10 will give you 3. It will come down. Sum was initially 0, right? Now it will be last digit 3 raised to power 3. Digit was at the last 3, right? It will calculate and it will set to 9. Now temp is equal to temp divided by 10, which is equal to 24. It will check, yes, condition is true, come inside. Last is equal to 4, sum is equal to 9 plus 64. It will set temp is equal to 2. Now it will check, yes, the condition is still true. Last is equal to 2, and sum will be equal to 9 plus 64 plus 8, which is nothing but 81. So it will come and set temp value is equal to 0 now. Okay, 2 divided by 10 is 0. So this condition will be false. It will come outside the loop. Now, since it is a Boolean expression, Boolean function, so it has to return either true or false. We will check whether the entered number is equal to sum or not. This will compare. This if statement will compare whether the entered number is equal to the sum or not. So since the sum is coming out to be 81, so of course not. So it will execute the second part of the statement, and it will return false. Let me exit the drawing, and yeah, let us come to the driver part. Okay, the driver main class. Okay, here we have the main class. Here we have declared a variable by the name num, and we are using the scanner function to take in the input, enter the limit. Okay, this example is basically to take in the input as a limit. Suppose you want to check whether how many Armstrong numbers are falling between these limit, or up to 999, up to 1000, up to 10,000, whatever is the limit set by you. The function, the program is going to find out the number of Armstrong numbers one by one. How it will do? It will set the limit to num, and system.out.println Armstrong number up to num are one by one. Using this for loop, it will set I, and it will call the function. The above function is Armstrong or not. It will call the function, it will go inside, and it will check for each value, and it will keep on printing. It will keep on printing, and loop will keep on repeating until I reaches the num value, the limit value. Okay, let us quickly test this, and I'll show you how this program works. Okay, so it is asking me to set the limit. Let's say I want to check how many, I want to find out how many Armstrong numbers are there till 999. Let's say 1000. Okay, so as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 153, 370, 731, 371, and 407. These are the Armstrong numbers. Let me rerun this program, and I'll check this time up to 10,000. Okay, great. So the addition was 1643. We also saw this in the example, 8208 9474. These are the addition numbers, which are Armstrong numbers. Okay, I hope this program was clear. And in case if you want to check whether the input number is an Armstrong number or not, the entire function is going to be the same. Just the if part, just the for loop here in the driver class, right, in the main part is going to be removed, so that you can only find the input number is an Armstrong number or not. So it is asking me to enter a number. I'll enter 243. No, it is not an Armstrong number. All right. Let me input another number. Let's say 371. Yes, it is an Armstrong number. Great. I hope these two programs were very much clear and helpful for you. Thank you and stay tuned for the next upcoming video.